Let's see the word problem on the multiplication. The first example is Virendra bought 18 bags of rice. Each bag weighing is 5.250 kilogram. How much rice did he buy altogether? If the rice cost 42 rupees per kg, how much did he pay for it? First, understand the example. Virendra bought 18 bags of rice. So first find out the total weight of the rice. Okay. Here he bought 18 bags of rice and each bag weighing is 5.250 kilogram. So here first weight of one bag is 5.250 kilogram. So therefore total weight of 18 bags are 5.250 multiplied by 18, because here therefore the 18 bags are there, so there is a multiplication. If we want to find out the one to many, so do here multiplication. 5.250 multiplied by 18. First here ignore the decimal point. Do here the simple multiplication. 5250 multiplied by 18. 18 0 0. 18 5 is 90. 18 2 is 36. 36 plus 9 there is a 45. 18 5 is 90 plus 4 94. Now here how many places are there? Total places 1 2 and 3. So leave 3 places from the back side of answer. 1 2 3 and give here point. So answer is 94.500. It means here total rice, how much rice did he buy altogether? He bought 94.5 kilogram total rice. Now here cost of 1 kg rice is rupees 42. So total cost of rice is 94.5 multiplied by 42. 94.5 means 500, because these 0 have no values. Multiply by 42. First ignore here the decimal points. So do here simple multiplication. 945 multiplied by 42. 2 5 is 10. 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. 9 2 is 18. Take here 0. 4 5 is 20. 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 18. 9 4 is 36 plus 1 37. Now add this 0 9. 8 plus 8 there is a 16. 1 plus 1 plus 7 there is a 9 and 3. So 39,690. Here how many place is here? One place. So give here one place. So give here decimal point to leave one place. So answer is 3969. So therefore he paid rupees 3969 for it. Let's see the second question. Vedika has 23.50 meter of cloth. She used is to make 5 curtains of equal size. If each curtain required 4 meter 25 centimeter to make, how much cloth is left over? let's say she has the total cloth 23.50 meter, okay, and she want to make a 5 curtains of equal size, and each curtain required 4 meter 25 means here the multiplication of, first find out here the total cloth she required for the 5 curtains. So therefore first one curtain required 4 meter 25 centimeter cloth. It means 4.25. Now how many curtains are there? 5 curtains. So therefore here 4.25 multiplied by 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2 12, then 5 4 are 20, 20 plus 1 that is a 21. Leave 2 places from the back side. 21.25 means 21 meter and 25 centimeter curtain required for the total 5 curtains. So here 5 curtain required 21.25 meter means 21 meter 25 centimeter cloth. Now here Vedika has 23.50 meter total cloth. So how much cloth is left over? It means there is a subtraction. 23.50 minus 21.25. We know the subtraction of decimal points. See 0 minus 5. Here is 10. Borrow 1 from the tens place. Now there is a 4. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, there is 2. Then place here decimal point to the downside of this decimal points. 3 minus 1, that is 2. And this is a 0. So 2.25. Then 2.25, it means 2 meter and 25 centimeter cloth left over. For solving the world problems, first understand what you will do here. See here, first multiplication, then subtraction. Here also same. There are 2 multiplication. First also multiplication, and then for the finding out the cost, there is also again multiplication. So first understand the example, then solve it. Here our practice set 16 up to practice set 16 complete. Okay, multiplication over. Now here today's homework is solve practice set 16. In this practice set, the given in the first question they given the products and you place only the points, then multiplication of decimal points, and after that there are 2 word problems. See here, we complete these 2 word problems here only. Okay, this is your homework, today's practice set number 16.